Do you ever feel like there's so many things that you have to get done, but since there's so many things, you feel like you can't get any of it done, so then you just are in a bad environment, like clothes everywhere or just messy in general, and you just feel scatterbrained and you can't do anything else? Because that's how I'm feeling right now.
Hello?
Hey, what's up? Hello. Today we are going to be getting my life back together. I have a whole list of stuff that I need to be doing today. It's already past noon, but we're gonna just keep working today until we get everything that we need done. So the first thing that I wanted to do is just eat a healthy meal because I have been feeling not the best recently. I haven't been eating the best, so I just wanted to make myself something healthy. And yeah, we're gonna go make a caprese salad. Caprese, I said it wrong. We're gonna go make a salad, okay? So let's go do that. Okay, so my salad is made and it doesn't look the best, but I know it's gonna taste good. And I'm gonna watch YouTube and eat this really quick, and then we're gonna get started with everything else that we have to do. Now, I'm actually going to change it to a comfier outfit so that I can get more work done and not be also like constrained. And yeah, so comfy outfit, ready, set. Did it work? So the first thing that we're gonna be doing before we start on my room is we're gonna go out to my vehicle and we are going to bring in any of my stuff that I have in my vehicle, because I know that I have like my graduation stuff because I had to go to my school. Okay, so let's go do that. So I got myself out of my vehicle and I think I'm gonna work in sections. Like first I'm gonna start by doing a load of laundry. So this is my clean clothes and I have another load of dirty clothes that I need to start. So yeah, I'm gonna put those in the washing machine. Okay, so now that we have started our laundry, I think the next thing I'm gonna be doing is cleaning my closet maybe, because if I do my clothes first and then put them into like an unorganized closet, that doesn't make any sense, right? So I should probably organize my closet and then put the clean clothes in there. Good idea. Okay, so we're gonna start by cleaning my closet. This is gonna be like the third thing that we're doing today. So let me show you how bad my closet is. If you see all of this down here, I was painting old canvases white because they were just gonna be thrown away. So I just thought that I could make them reusable and just paint over them. But they need another layer and I haven't had time to do another layer. So yeah, and I have shoes everywhere, got clothes, drawers are open, hangers everywhere. So we just need to fix this, okay? Okay, so next we are going to be fixing my shoes because they look disgusting. Also, I got these at Target in the clearance section for like $15. I wore them today and they were beautiful. They were amazing. I don't even know how else to describe them. They were just perfect. These are my new go-tos. Okay, so now that my shoes are done, I don't know if like you can tell, but any shirts that I've worn recently, the hangers are right there, and I just don't like how that looks. I usually put them up there in the corner so nobody can see them. even though nobody's looking in my closet anyways. It's just for my satisfaction. So we're gonna take these and move them. All snug and tight up there. So now my jeans just look like out of whack, so I can just fix these buckets really quick. So over here I have the jeans that I don't really wear, and then on the left side I have the jeans that I do wear very often, and they kind of got mixed together, so I'm gonna fix that. So here I have 2 bags, and one is filled with any color guard, and this is full of bathing suits. So I just want to like close those back up, make them look nicer. And I also have some of my color guard equipment that I need to put in this bag as well. So, oh, all right.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her.
And the last thing before I start bringing in any new clothes are these tank tops. I got them from Walmart for like $2, and I just need to put them into my tank top.
Got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disc.
We're gonna take this bucket hat and we're gonna put it with the rest of my hats. Perfect. I like to fold them and then I put them in the closet. So let's fold them first.
She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
Okay, so whenever I get all of this done, I then proceed to take it to the closet.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to.
Now it's time to take any clothes that need to be hung up and put them on hangers. I actually have some jeans that I need to put away with the rest of my jeans, and these are from my last video, so if you haven't watched that, go watch it.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. See?
Okay, something else that needs to go on a hanger is my gown for graduation. And in the back of my closet, I just have my yearbook, and then I'm gonna put the diploma cover thing that we got at school. I don't really know how I'm gonna do it, but I have my cap, and instead of just letting it sit in the back of my closet, I really spent a lot of time on it, so I was thinking maybe I can put it on my art wall. And if you guys didn't notice, I made this wall filled with all of my artwork, and it looks a little bit like messy and scattered, but I think I kind of like that. So let's see if my cap will fit right there.
I did it.
Got it on. Yay! So that just completes the little like hole that was right there. So next, what I think I'm gonna do is make my bed, cause yeah. Okay, so ready? Oh my gosh, wait, did you guys see this? What? Do it now. Bed's gonna be made in 3, 2. Did I do it? So I need to put a pillowcase on there, but we're getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere. Okay, so I hope this gets me, but it's a little bit of a break. So next, we need to empty out all my garbage cans. So let's do that. Okay, so here's all that I have for garbage. These go to the kitchen, and these are gonna go outside. So I'm gonna take these 2 to the kitchen, and then we're gonna go outside.
Yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth.
Okay, so I have folded and put away my clothes. I made my bed. I did my laundry, but I need to go check on it. I cleaned my closet. I didn't finish this gift. I didn't do this, and I didn't do this. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go check on the laundry.
What life about? Another day go by, don't know what got me now. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah.
Okay, so what you saw me doing before was writing ox, 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 wah. And that's not gonna make sense to anybody except if you're an auxiliary, but this is gonna be a present for my coach because obviously we can't go out and buy stuff, so I thought I would make stuff. So I took this picture and then I drew it. So I'm gonna cut this out and then we're gonna glue it on here and then we're gonna seal it, and that's about it.
You watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98.
You know what, let me come back whenever I'm done, okay? But for now, I need to wait for the glue to dry, and then I'm going to add like a top layer so that you can't really feel any of the glitter, and the glitter's not gonna come off anymore. So yeah, we have to wait for this to dry. But next on our agenda is to do schoolwork. We're gonna go I'll never learn. Do some schoolwork, so let's see how it goes. Hi, so I just finished all my homework and now it's time to have the officer meeting that I was telling you guys about earlier. So I have my Zoom right here and it starts in 2 minutes and I have these to snack on, which is just trail mix. And then when I get done with that, this is my laundry from earlier and I put it right here so I remember to do it. And then this is the project that I have for my coach and I just wanted to put those two things together so that I just, as soon as I'm done with the call, like it's the first thing that I see. So yeah, let's see if I can get them to say hi. Hi or something. Hi. Hi or something. Hi. Okay, so hi. We just finished our Let me do this inside. Okay, so hi. I'm sorry if you still hear my puppy barking, but so I just finished the web call and I wanted to finish my coach's gift really quick because like I didn't want to keep forgetting about it. So we're gonna go outside and we're gonna do a little time lapse of me putting the clear coat thing on top. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna let it dry and I'm gonna come back in a few hours. Okay, so I don't really know which one to look at. I don't know if I look at myself or over there. I think I feel pretty confident after today. I got my whole to-do list done. I did a lot today, so I feel so much better. I feel much more like open-minded and yeah, so I'm really grateful that I did this today. Something that I want to point out is that whenever my senior year started and I was captain and focused on my classes, I didn't really post at all, except for like a few videos here and there. Being in quarantine, I have been posting a lot. Like I posted 3 times a week, like almost a month I feel like, and I was doing pretty good. And they have helped me grow so much. Like I'm getting closer to 500, which is amazing, and 500 is half a thousand. And yeah, but I feel like the videos that I'm putting out, like I spend so much time on them and I'm not getting enough credit that they deserve basically. And obviously having a low following, like they're not going to blow up. Every single one isn't gonna blow up, but like if you're a video creator, comment down below and just help me explain here, because when you put so much time and effort into something that you really are passionate about and you don't really get any views at all, like it just kind of hurts a little bit. But I think I might be only posting 2 times a week, which isn't bad. That's still posting, and I'm going to just try to start posting those IGTVs. I posted one and it's really cute actually. It's how I make my jean headbands. And yeah, so you should go check that out. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you're missing out because I post all the time. I post a lot on Instagram, and Instagram usually has a lot of say in what I post for YouTube wise. And then I have a TikTok now. I have TikTok and I have been posting a lot on there too. I usually post like a couple times a week. So you should definitely go watch those. And obviously, if you've been paying attention to my YouTube videos recently, my TikTok is pretty fun. So you should go check that out too. And as I was filming this clip, my camera died. So yeah, what I was just getting around to is saying thank you so much for being with me and just helping me clear my mind today. Please like and comment and check out the rest of my videos because I think that they're pretty cool, and you might as well subscribe because it's a fun time here. And yeah, thank you for all these supportive comments that I've been getting recently, and I hope you're still staying sane during quarantine. Okay,